This is the Holmes crossover extension. You're going to set up a cable attachment roughly the height of your head. You're going to step out from the attachment and hold your arm at roughly 90 degrees to the actual attachment point. You're going to brace with your other arm against your bicep like this, and you're going to start around the height of your ear, straighten your arm almost to fully straight but not quite, and then back like this. Nice and slow. Just like that. That is the Holmes crossover extension. Couple of keys here is you're not locking out at the back or the front. It's a nice controlled movement, okay? Obviously, you're going to have to do it one arm at a time unless you have access to two cables like this, but I have always found this not to feel quite as good. It's hard to line up as well, so I do prefer it with one arm at a time, okay? And another thing is you're not going all the way to the back. So it's like this. If you do get near the end of the set, I do find that it's okay to allow the elbow to move very, very slightly, but only once you get near the end. So starting it off like this with the elbow in a fixed position, if I then get quite close to failure and I'm sort of struggling, a slight drift of the elbow and then driving it isn't the end of the world, okay? That is Holmes crossover extension.